the spoon. There's 6 of me, and I'm eating the ice cream thing. It's strawberry jam. It's so good. Look at this. It's some chocolate in it. Hello, hi. It's the number one. Sana. Now I am going to take my towel and hair. This is a happy birthday. Begging, I'm begging. I'm begging, please wish me a happy birthday. In the comment section. Even if you can tag me here. I think you can tag people over here in this. I'll always check if you comment or something. Birthday, if it's also a birthday, send it. When you send it, I'll send them and follow you. Yeah, you can just I'm going to do part two. Wait, I'm wearing my socks.